Introduction to weekly planning with AI assistance.
Ready to streamline your week? Discover how AI-powered personal assistants can help you manage tasks, set reminders, and organize your schedule effortlessly. In this guide, we'll break down step-by-step strategies to automate and optimize your weekly planning for greater productivity and less stress.
Choosing the right AI planning app.
Start by selecting an app that matches your needs. Popular AI-powered choices include Google Assistant, Microsoft's Cortana, and specialized apps like Motion or Reclaim. Look for features such as calendar integration, smart reminders, and voice command support to make planning seamless.
Automating task and event input.
Automate your task entries with AI features. Use voice commands or email parsing to quickly capture new tasks and events. Many apps automatically sort them into categories and suggest optimal times in your calendar, saving you from manual data entry.
Optimizing your weekly schedule.
Let AI optimize your week for you. Many apps offer scheduling tools that prioritize urgent tasks, set time blocks for focus, and avoid conflicts. Explore auto-scheduling features that adjust your plans based on changes, keeping your week balanced and on track.
Setting up smart notifications and routines.
Boost your efficiency with smart notifications. AI assistants can remind you of upcoming tasks, deadlines, or routine activities. Set up recurring reminders, daily check-ins, or location-based alerts, helping you stay on top of priorities without constant checking.
Reviewing and improving your planning process.
Use insights from your AI app to improve. Regularly review summaries and suggestions provided by your assistant. Track patterns, identify bottlenecks, and adjust your routines to make each week smoother and more productive.